Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you know how important it is to secure your assets. Today, we're tackling a common task: transferring XRP from Kraken, a popular exchange, to your Ledger hardware wallet. This step-by-step guide will help you do it safely and efficiently, so let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need a Kraken account with XRP in it, and your Ledger device should be connected to your computer with the Ledger Live app installed. Always double-check that your Ledger is updated to the latest firmware to avoid any compatibility issues. Step 1. Log into your Kraken account using your secure credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallets or Funding section and select XRP from your list of assets. This is where you'll initiate the withdrawal. Step 2. Click on the Withdraw button next to XRP. You'll be prompted to enter a destination address. Now, switch over to your Ledger device. Open the Ledger Live app, go to the XRP account, and copy the receive address displayed on your screen. Never type this address manually, always copy and paste to prevent errors. Step 3. Back on Kraken, paste the Ledger XRP address into the withdrawal form. You'll also need to specify the amount of XRP you want to transfer, but remember to leave some for network fees. Kraken might ask for two-factor authentication here, so have that ready. Step 4. Review all the details carefully. This includes the address, amount, and any fees. Once you're confident, confirm the transaction. You'll get a confirmation email or notification from Kraken. On your Ledger side, keep an eye out for the transaction. It might take a few minutes to a few hours, depending on network congestion. Once it arrives, you'll see your XRP balance update in Ledger Live. A quick word of caution: crypto transfers are irreversible, so always verify addresses and amounts. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to test the waters. And there you have it. That's how you transfer XRP from Kraken to Ledger in 2025. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and stay secure out there.